Welcome to another exciting edition of Math Homework. In Chapter 5, we are talking about adding and subtracting decimals, and today specifically we will be estimating sums and differences. Remember that a sum is the answer to an addition problem, while the difference is, that's right, the answer to a subtraction problem. The question we hope to be able to answer today is, as long as I can skip to my next thing here. There we go. How can I use place value and properties to add and subtract decimals? So hopefully we'll be able to answer that question by the end of this video. All right, so our first question here says, Hadassah used a digital thermometer to find the morning temperature and afternoon temperature. She found the morning temperature was 31 3/10 degrees Fahrenheit, and the afternoon temperature was 37 6/10 degrees Fahrenheit. Estimate the difference in average temperatures. So we have two ways that we could round this. We could round to the nearest third. Up to the nearest third. I don't even know what that is. We could round to the nearest 10. And in that situation, we have a 3 right here in our tens place. And right next door is a 7. Remember, we look at that place value to the right to decide whether to round up or hit the floor. That means keep that digit the same. In this situation, we have a 7, so my rhyme 5 through 9, climb the vine, means I'm going to climb the vine, and this is going to round up to, oh, come on, thing. What you doing to me? Going to round to 40. And then 31, once again, I take a look at my tens place. I have a 3. Right next door, I have a 1. 0 through 4, hit the floor. My floor in this situation is 3. Everything behind the place value that I'm rounding becomes a 0. So I have 30. And ultimately, I have 40 minus 30. And hopefully we are all saying, that's right, 10. So the difference is about 10, or we can round to the nearest 1. That's the nearest whole number. So in this situation, my ones place is a 7, right next door. Just to the right is a 6. 5 through 9, climb the vine. That means that 7 becomes an 8. 3 stays the same. Everything behind becomes a 0. So that's 38.0, 38 and 0 tenths. And my next number, 31 3/10. I have a 1 in my ones place, a 3 just to the right. So 0 through 4, hit the floor. My floor is 31. So this stays 31. Everything behind becomes a 0. And I subtract 38 minus 31. And hopefully we all see that that 38 minus 31 is 7. All right, so the difference is about 10 degrees Fahrenheit or 7 degrees Fahrenheit. The actual answer right here is 6 3/10 degrees Fahrenheit. So rounding to the nearest what gave me the more accurate estimate? Well, 7 is much closer to 6 3/10 than 10 is. So rounding to the nearest 1 or the nearest whole number gave me the most accurate estimate. All right, so let's take a look at one more problem here. Oh, come on, thing. There we go. Clear the screen and move on, hopefully. There we go. All right, Malcolm buys a taco for $1.79 and a milk for $1.29. About how much does he spend? With a problem like this, it makes the most sense to just go ahead and round these numbers to the nearest whole number. So I have a 1 in my ones place, a 1 in my ones place back here as well. So I take a look at the place value to the right. That's my tenths place. I have a 7 in my tenths place. That means that we climb the vine. This 1 becomes a 2. So we have $2, about $2 for the taco, and $1.29. We'll round down to $1. About $1 for the milk. All right, so I have about $2 and about $1. I add 2 plus 1 equals 3. That means Malcolm spent about $3 on his lunch. I hope this video helped.